Welcome to TTI. Welcome to a whole new world of science, fun, and machines. Subscribe now and don't miss anything. Kalk. This unusually named device tops our list for a reason. Designed by Swedish manufacturer Kalk, the Kalk is a living proof that it is possible to combine low weight and outstanding cross-country ability in an extremely effective package. Both models, the Kalk OR and the Kalk Inc., only weigh 69 kilograms with the battery, and have been demonstrated to travel at speeds of up to 80 kilometers an hour even in rough off-road conditions. This versatile device can be used for urban, rural, and enduro racing, making it a must-have innovation for any true adventurer. Police shields. If you have ever watched any zombie movies, then you are probably aware of the shield's ability to protect you from the brain-eating horde. In real life, the police use shields to protect themselves from a more mundane but equally deadly threat. These shields have been tough and easy to use, and there's no shield as easy to use as one you don't have to carry with your hands. This invention, called a shield bot, was developed by the American company How Technologies, and it is practically a robot that moves independently to protect the policeman from any physical harm. Take a look at the shield bot in action in this video and watch how it constantly moves to offer the most coverage to the officer. It does this through the use of wide tracks that allow it to move on all kinds of surfaces, including tricky off-road terrains. The robotic shield is 2.5 meters wide, capable of protecting an entire police squad. Selfie-Type. The Selfie-Type is a new invention created for frequent typers. It is a faster, less bulky, and altogether more effective virtual keyboard from Samsung, capable of solving all your on-the-go typing problems at once. It works with the help of an AI system which uses the front camera to track movements of your fingers. What this means is that you can type on any surface without actually needing a physical keyboard. The invention was shown at CES 2020, and although it is only a prototype for now, it has the potential to be one of the most popular devices in years to come. Digital side view monitors. It will not be much of an exaggeration to say that the use of side mirrors has saved millions of lives. The ability to see approaching vehicles is so essential to the driving experience that it has made the transition to newer vehicles. As a matter of fact, Toyota and Lexus, those two companies, have already shown cars with digital mirrors, following the trailblazing trend by Audi. These screens are linked to cameras that display the images of the exterior, and they are built on the sides of the dashboard in the driver's sightline. It helps to reduce the size of the mirrors themselves, increasing the driver's visibility and improving aerodynamics. It can also operate in several modes and change the viewing angle. This makes difficult tasks like parking, turning, and stopping the car much easier. At the same time, overall driving experience becomes much safer. DR walk-behind leaf vacs. This exciting new tool earns its spot on the list as a result of the sheer applicability of the device. We all know that removing fallen leaves from our yard can be a long and tedious task. It works as an efficient and time-saving device, which is easy to use and maneuver quickly as a result of its compact size. All models of this device come with similar efficiency. The only difference is in their power and capacity. It is able to rotate around its axis with the help of 2 rear wheels, and as soon as the leaves are sucked up, they are shredded very carefully in the tank to reduce the volume. This gives you the ability to clear out larger areas with less effort. Audi AI ME. The Audi AI ME just might be the future of urban transport. It is a response to the trend of more people opting for car-sharing opportunities, rather than the more traditional single-user model that is currently prevalent in the industry. The AI ME made its debut at the Shanghai Auto Show in April 2019, where it received almost unanimous praise. It is a 170 horsepower vehicle with a top speed capped at 70 kilometers an hour, which serves it well in the busy urban areas where it is expected to work. As an added benefit, the AI ME can either be pilot-driven or work with the use of artificial intelligence. The interior design is homely and filled with all you need to entertain yourself, with a large LED panel, access to online entertainment services, and even augmented reality glasses. ECKOLD KF675 Magnum. The Magnum typically finds use in professional production workshops. This stands to reason because it is a metalworking machine developed by specialists of the Swiss company ECKOLD, and it has the ability to bend profiles, shape sheet metal, and produce various parts from scratch. This extremely versatile tool can be used in repair works as well as in fine adjustments, which make it a much sought-after item in factories that make parts for shipyards. It can also be used to restore vintage cars, carrying out its duties with a quiet efficiency that speaks to its superior design. DR-Redi Plow. The DR-Redi Plow carries out its unique function by staying attached to your vehicle's front receiver hitch and always being ready to go. Rather than go for an unwieldy commercial snowplow which drinks up your gas and disturbs your neighbors, the Redi Plow gives you convenience and efficiency in an easy-to-drive package. It functions as a home snowplow that's always ready to go, and includes a fixed, centered plow position with open ends that spill snow to the sides. The blade itself weighs just 65 pounds, is made from high-strength aluminum, rubber, and steel, and can quickly be removed after use or locked into a travel position. The DR-Redi Plow gives you the opportunity to clear out your driveway in just 3 passes. There you have it, folks, a list of the 8 most insane inventions from all over the world. Which of these inventions did you think were the most insane? Tell us in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time.